What's going on, guys? So today I wanted to do a quick hourly update review on one of our Wright standers. As you know, we run all Wright besides one Skag we have here, but everything else we have are Wrights. These are actually our backups through the other videos we posted. Everything's all set up. Season almost this fall, but we're in full swing, so everything's moving. But I wanted to do a quick 658 exactly. Let's see up here. I think it's 658.7. Let's see what this is. Yep, 658. All right, 658 hours. So nothing really happened at all. Nothing bad to say, if that's what you're looking for. There's nothing at all. The only issue we had was, and I guess everything happens over time, but these idler pulleys, I think they're called. One of these pulleys down here had like 2 or 3 bolts missing, and it was wobbling, and it made one of these belts fly off and snap all over the place on a Friday afternoon, go figure. So that's what happened there. Got that fixed, you know, and a little tune-up, a couple $100. Nothing, no problems at all. It looks like, and I don't know how long these tires really last in these mowers. This mower was purchased in 2020. It's almost 5 years old, and the tread is still perfect on these tires. I know it's due to like turning around on pavement and doing things like that, but we don't really do a lot of that, so that makes sense. But tires look fine. We keep up with the oil constantly once a season. No matter how many hours we use it, we change the oil in these things. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Like, just religiously. But that's really it, guys. I went through 2 belts maybe on this thing. 658 hours. I mean, I don't really bathe anything, so obviously it looks dirty. We do all that in the winter. We don't wash things in the middle of the season. But with that being said, there's really not much more good things I can say about this mower. There's really not. I mean, just overall, just no issues anywhere, you know. Like I said, we keep the oil changed. Had to get that little idler fixed. But besides that, still just runs really strong. Really strong. We do the hydro oil before it's recommended. Like, this was done at 392 hours. I don't think the next one's supposed to be due for a long time, but that's that. I always look for little things, you know, because, you know, things do come undone. Things can, you know, become, I don't know, just out of place. But that's really kind of it, guys. I wanted to just post an hourly update just to kind of just to show everyone where these mowers are, you know, where you're at per hour, or, you know, this is kind of like a last minute, I just thought of it. But if you look online a lot of these guys don't, there's not like a lot of mowers with like 500 hours, like 1,000 hours, like people reviewing issues they've gone through, tips, you know, things you need to do. But I just wanted to do this with all of our mowers, just to kind of break everything down. And I'll even post a link to like the 400-hour review, 200-hour review. But I mean, I know this video really, there's nothing bad has gone wrong. So the next few minutes of me talking isn't going to be about, you know, how we're switching brands or how this thing is broken. This thing has done nothing but made us money. Nothing but made us money. So no issues at all there. And I can say the same with the rest of the Wrights we've been running hard all summer. But that's really it, guys. Again, just wanted to post kind of just a quick update. And I believe, like I did say, this is just a quick little update. Nothing's wrong, you know, nothing at all with the machine besides those little issues. But what's cool with these Wrights is they have the deck belts up here. And after going through 2 this summer and 1 last year, I've decided to always keep a few on deck here. And we're just going through some Sunday cleaning is when I go through everything. So excuse me, if I can give you one tip of advice with these belts, always keep them on deck. I mean, I have 2 belts for every machine pretty much. So if we snap a belt tomorrow, I have a backup. So that's kind of one thing I've always done, is keeping these backups up here, just so you can just fly in, grab them, and good to go. That's kind of that. And again, all this stuff is just kind of Sundays. I kind of just clean everything, go through everything. We got one truck out right now, but that's it, guys. If you have any questions or comments below, let me know. I mean, I don't want to say this video is kind of pointless, but 650 hours, nothing wrong. I just wanted to send it out there. You know, you don't, like I've said before, you don't see many videos with these mowers, and these guys don't make like reviews, like guys that have all these mowers with 1,000 hours plus. You know, I don't even know what to expect at 1,000 hours. So that's why I'm posting these videos, and I'm going to keep doing it. So that's kind of the plan. Battery's been fine. I did the battery like 2 years ago. Nothing at all besides just your maintenance. And like I said, the 2 bolts went on the idler thing or whatever, but that's really it. You know, nothing out of the ordinary. I'm kind of doing this on the fly, so I'm trying to think here too. But 658 hours and just going strong. You know, we do our tune-ups constantly, like I've said before. You know, like we got filters, you know, everything. If you just keep up with the little stuff, you'll be good. So that's kind of our update. And I did bust this guy up the other day a little bit. This is bent or something. I gotta tighten that up, tighten this bolt down here. But that's really it, guys. I do have decided to keep these covers on these decks. I know some guys take them off. There's just too much stuff kind of flying around this, you know, from trees and hitting stuff. I just don't want it to fly up or rip a belt. These belts are not cheap nowadays either. So yeah, so that's kind of it, guys. Besides the 2 little bolts on an idler at 658 hours, I'd say that's a great thing. I mean, like I said, all the maintenance stuff I do over the winter with these mowers, but that's pretty much the 658 hour review. And I did, oh, what's up, buddy?
Right here.
What am I doing?
Like and subscribe.
What?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, buddy. I'm just going over the mower, all right? You want to wait in the garage? I'll be right there.
Yeah.
All right, go in the garage for me. I'll be right there. Stay in there. That's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to say this video was like a waste of time or anything, but 658 hours. I lost my train of thought there for a second. Sorry. 658 hours. Nothing wrong. Just keep up with your maintenance and do your thing, and it'll last you. Make you a lot of money. So, thanks for watching, guys.
And like and subscribe.
And yep, like and subscribe. Thank you.